Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows 11 doesn't recognize headphones. We are going to right-click on the volume icon, click on Sound Settings. Now in the output field, check that the speakers you need are selected. Additionally, you can adjust the volume slider to increase it. After this, at the bottom, click on the option More Sound Settings. Here, confirm that your headphones are the default device. Select the headset and click on the Properties button. There, in the Levels tab, adjust the desired volume for your headphones. Then from the Advanced tab, confirm that the boxes are active. Apply the changes and close the windows. Then right-click on the volume icon and choose the option Open Volume Mixer. You will confirm that in the Output device line, the headset is there. By the way, you can check that the volume in the Apps section is at high levels. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.